Right behind me is the real-life DARKSTAR aircraft that was used on set during the opening scene of Top Gun Maverick. This hypersonic concept jet was actually designed by Lockheed Martin's top-secret Skunkworks division.
This is the Lockheed Martin SR-72, an aircraft so fast it can cross oceans before the enemy even blinks. First appearing in Top Gun Maverick and nicknamed the Son of the Blackbird, it's the hypersonic successor to the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. But what makes this aircraft so terrifyingly advanced? And why are rival nations like China and Russia scrambling to catch up? The United States government doesn't like to show its technological advancements in front of the whole world until it's too late for anyone to do anything about it. So we would assume that the work on SR-72 DARKSTAR began way before it appeared in the movie. To be successful, the SR-72 DARKSTAR had to meet three specific objectives. 1. Travel at speeds higher than or equal to Mach 6. 2. Travel above 80,000 feet for extended periods of time. And 3. Stay completely hidden from advanced tracking and radar systems. In order to achieve this, Lockheed Martin not only had to have a completely redesigned aircraft, but also build a new engine and tackle the associated challenges of traveling at speeds 6 times the speed of sound, like surface and cockpit heating. Reports indicate that Lockheed Martin had been working with Aerojet Rocketdyne since 2006 to build an engine that could propel an aircraft to Mach 6 using scramjet technology. The scramjet engine uses fast-moving air to first compress and then combust. However, scramjets only provide good performance above Mach 2.5. Therefore, the SR-72 had to use another engine type at lower speeds. It was reported that, like the SR-71, the SR-72 would also be fitted with a turbine-based combined cycle engine to be able to switch between turbine and scramjet engines as needed. This system would be fed a shared inflow of air through the nozzle, but with individual airflow paths. To fully experiment with this system's feasibility with the SR-72, NASA allowed Lockheed Martin to study the existing turbine propulsion systems with a contract worth $892,000 in December of 2014. At such high speeds, the material used for the body construction would also have to be superior to that of its closest match, the SR-71. Data from SR-71 flights indicate that the surface temperature of the aircraft reached higher than 500 degrees Celsius in flight at speeds greater than Mach 2.5. This temperature would be sufficient to melt any conventional aircraft building materials. Needless to say, the SR-72 DARKSTAR would have to use lightweight materials in its construction which are capable of tolerating extreme temperatures and shear stress of Mach 6. Ceramics, titanium alloys, and metal mixes would likely be chosen for this purpose, as they have been used in space shuttles flying above Mach 20. Another